Start advertising on YouTube. One of the things that has made YouTube such a popular platform is that it allows people to monetize basically every type of content that they upload to the platform because it operates on a shared revenue model. This means that YouTube shows ads on videos uploaded by YouTube users on behalf of advertisers and splits the earned revenue with users. You can become one of those advertisers and start promoting yourself on YouTube, which can help you to grow your business at an unprecedented level. But what are video ads? Video ads are YouTube videos that are promoted on other videos on the platform. Some of these videos are called pre-roll ads, precisely because they roll before YouTube ads eligible for monetization start rolling, and the rest of these video ads appear beside playing videos. YouTube advertising allows you to have total control over your daily advertising budget, so you only spend what you're comfortable spending on advertising, and you only pay for real engagement, because you only pay for video ads that run for more than 30 seconds. YouTube advertising has a nice variety of targeting options that will allow you to reach only the best and most qualified leads and customers for your promotions and business, because you can target users by age, gender, location, interests, and more. The good news is that you can measure the success of your video advertising campaigns with the help of built-in analytics that make it easier for you to see how your video ads are performing, which will allow you to optimize your ads by making adjustments based on your metrics at any time. To start advertising on YouTube, go to the Launch an Ad tab on the youtube.com/yt/advertise URL and click on the Get Started button. You will be taken to a campaign creation page where you will be able to select a video to promote, to create your video ad, to decide how much you are going to spend to promote it, and to choose your target audience. You can skip this step and create your video later, so you can start creating your video advertising account first. So let's simply click on Skip Campaign Creation. Now, you will be asked if you already have an AdWords account, which is Google's display advertising platform. If you haven't configured an AdWords account for your new Google account by the time that you reach this stage, simply select Yes on this screen and then click on Sign In. You will now have to start configuring your new AdWords for Video account. First, you will need to specify your country or territory, your time zone, and your currency, and then click on Continue. Now you will have to enter your billing information. First, you have to select between creating an individual account or a business account. If you select the business account, you'll need to enter your business name along with your business address. Then, you have to set a primary contact, which will be set with your contact information by default. And then you will need to select a payment method. You can use either a debit or credit card or bank account to pay for your AdWords. Lastly, you'll have to agree with the AdWords terms and services and click on Save to review your AdWords for Video account, so you can start creating your video ads right away. Linking to your AdWords account from YouTube. Now that your AdWords for Video account is ready for use, you will need to link your YouTube and AdWords accounts. To do it the easy way, simply go to your YouTube channel icon on the top right corner and click on the Creator Studio button. From there, go to the Channel tab and enter the Advanced section. Now go to the AdWords account linking and click on Link an AdWords account. To complete this step, you will be required to sign up for the AdWords for Video platform, which you already did. So you will only need to go to your AdWords account and copy the customer ID featured on the top right corner and paste it in the customer ID box, then click on Next. Now assign a name for your AdWords account. Set permissions to view accounts on calls to action, for remarketing, and for engagement for this account, and click on Finish. And that's it. Now your YouTube channel is linked to your AdWords account, so you can start advertising on the platform.